Hello everyone, welcome back. New reaction for, I think it's a new band for me or an artist. I don't think that I reacted. I might have done a reaction in the past, but I'm not sure. For Idgitaf. And the song will be SEDIA AKU SEBELUM HUJAN or Huan. Let me translate the title. I'm ready before the rain. It has the title of a sad song, but we will see. This was requested to me, and of course I want to hear it. So let's enjoy.
Jadi waktu itu dingin, ku beri kau hangat. Walaupun ku juga beku, tapi ku aman saat kau nyaman. Jadi waktu itu panas, ku beri kau angin. Walaupun ku juga gerah, tapi ku penuh saat kau teduh. Sudah paham kan sejauh ini? Ku yang lama di sini, menjagamu tak patah hati. Sedia aku sebelum hujan, apa yang kau butuh ku berikan. Kemanapun tak akan kau temukan, yang siapkan bekalmu di peperangan. Jika tak setara, ku maafkan, memang sebegitunya aku.
Wow, she has a very beautiful voice. It's very smooth, very sweet. I don't remember if I did in the past any reaction for her, but she's really good. Let's hear more. I got curious. And if you have more requests from Idgitaf, write the link of the song, write me in the comment section.
Ku tak punya pilihan yang dikendali pikiran. Ada namamu disebut, disitulah arahku berjalan. Sudah paham kan sejauh ini? Ku yang lama di sini, menjagamu tak patah hati. Sedia aku sebelum hujan, apa yang kau butuh ku berikan. Kemanapun tak akan kau temukan, yang siapkan bekalmu di peperangan. Jika tak setara, ku maafkan, memang sebegitunya aku. Soal cinta aku jatuh, ini janjiku.
I feel goosebumps. That's how good is her voice. I also try to pay attention to the lyrics to see, but I already understand the meaning of the song. And Idgitaf is her stage name, or maybe it's her name, or it's the name of the band, and she's the vocalist. Give me information because I'm really curious. I'm a fan already.
Untuk hadir dan mencintaimu di hari baikku dan di hari burukku. Sedia aku sebelum hujan, apa yang kau butuh ku berikan. Ku yang lama di sini, menjaga sebelum hujan.
Wow. Wow. I'm really impressed. I will subscribe right now. And my friends, you have the link in the description. If you didn't saw this on Idgitaf channel, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, please go and watch it on that channel. If you are not subscribed and if you like this, subscribe. Someone who gives us a song like this for sure already has a very cool collection of music, so for sure you will see a lot of stuff that you like on that channel. If you have more recommendations, write them in the comment section. As I said, I already became a fan. I can compare Idgitaf with Noah, with Peter Pan, as style, thinking about what bands I reacted from Indonesia. Cool song. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish everyone to be well, to be safe, and to be free. Goodbye, my friends. This is recorded separately from the reactions because I will use this on multiple videos. Guys, I need your support. As I said on a previous video, I have also other channels and I want those channels to grow. One is about outdoors, survival, blah blah blah, in Romanian, and the other one is my son's car collection, toy car collection. And why I want those channels to grow. And I will tell after that very fast what I need from you. I want them to grow as subscribers and some views because this way I can do collaborations with different companies that would sponsor my channels. And I will say very fast. I send emails and some companies replied and they said, "Hey, we will collaborate when you have a bigger number of subscribers and of views." That's why I need your help. And in the description, you have links to both channels. You will have for some video from each channel. And what I need from you is to go on that channel, subscribe, press the like, and comment something. Hello, I subscribe. You don't have to write, I don't know what. This is what I need from you. And of course, that the persons who will do that, I will appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. I will let you now to enjoy the reaction and I hope that you will support me on those channels.